currently 12:19, January 3rd, and I will be going off to Korea soon. My flight is at 5:30 and I'll be leaving next thing in the morning after I wake up.
Hello， 是我女儿啦，真开心。
We are arriving! Yay! This is really cool. I'm in. I'm waiting for boarding now. The reason I'm coming to Korea this time is because I'm gonna meet my friend. It feels so unreal. It feels like a dream, you know? It feels like a long time ago that I said that I'm gonna come, and now it just, yeah. Oh my god, guys, I'm here. I'm at the airport now. I just got my suitcase. Oh my god, my heart is pounding so fast. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. This is so cute.
You know, I made a paper one, but my mom said it's so like
Childish.
not good. Yeah, childish. You know, I made this. My mom
Oh,
said it's not
sure.
good. My mom said it's not good. Use the phone.
Is this Hangul?
Yeah.
Oh, I read Korean, guys. I'll keep this. We're at the bus stop. 여러분, we're here eating K. Let's go. Hey, it doesn't turn. Yay! Oh, we're Michelin. It's a Michelin restaurant, guys. Look how many. BTS came. Our food is here. Someone's embarrassed.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the seaweed. It's not like normal seaweed.
Yeah. Remember your hand. I'm taking pictures.
Okay. Oh my god, guys, we're in the cutest toy shop.
I like this one.
Yeah, I like this. I always, I don't know. Move. What is this? It's so small. It's like a basket, guys. Do you mind,
Guys.
Do you mind holding my phone?
Who the heck is guys?
Guys is my future fans. We are coming to vintage shopping or first-hand shopping. It depends. Oh, we're going to Jibo. I've never seen a first-hand Jibo shop. Why is it all basic stuff? I got a perfume from here. It smells like tea. 여러분, pad thai입니다. This is kamjam ushimi, and this is a posan, and this is potato soup, and this is cider. I love it. I like this. We got tanghulu. Let's try the Korean ones. We're in a small karaoke stall. Look how small this is. It's so cute. It's literally like right here. Oh my god. There's truffles. I'm going to the color testing thing today. I'm doing it in color signal. Is that right? Yes. And I'll finally know what color I am. Yellow or pink? I have no idea. And what makeup suits me. And I'm gonna buy like new blush and everything. Yay! Really?
You think I'll come best on the blue color?
let's compare the white and black. White color and black color. Black is too dark here. My wardrobe is all black. Yeah, really? But black is okay because you're just the winter detail. We're finding a restaurant. We're eating like live octopus today, and now we're at like a fabric marketplace, and I see so many sewing machines on the way. Oh my god, guys, look at this. They're still moving. How do you call this? 산낙지. We're in a cafe.
Yum.
Yummy.
맛있다.
We're cheers, cheers. So sweet. I'm finally dyeing my hair. I'm gonna bleach it twice and we'll see how it goes. But I want like a cool gray. I just washed my hair and I finished my first bleach. I'm going for my second. Pretty. I'm choosing my color. I chose this one. I finished my hair. We're at dinner now because it's very late. It's almost 8. And we have this balding prevention hair for me. 감사합니다. This is our dinner. We have dumplings and we have some chicken stuff. Yay! I got icy noodles and they're so thin. 안녕 여러분. 여러분. I'm going to buy shoes now. Claire's taking me to Vibram. They don't have a store in China, but apparently they have in Korea. Let's see if it's true or Claire just delulu. Yeah, I'm so excited. Because I think maybe UK doesn't have it because I only saw the shoes selling on Amazon. And I really need to try it because I have a very weird sizing issue. Can't wait! Yay! We're walking upstairs. Oh, he's here, it's here. Oh my god, look, yeah!
Are you happy?
네, 남성 사이즈는 260부터 출발하고요. 여성 사이즈는 3월쯤에
You'll wake up 15 minutes early if you decide to wear the shoes today.
I finally tried on my first pair. It took me 20 minutes. I got the shoes! Yay! I got a water sport one, but I didn't take a video of it because I was trying a lot. But yeah, I'm so happy! We're at Paris Baguette. It's my favorite cafe in China, but it's actually Korean. We are at a grilled seafood restaurant, and the ground it's all like little stones. It's very very cute. We waited for so long to come in. I am on the metro to the airport. We have one more stop. We're going from like the Gimpo airport. No, yeah. We're here. My friend is super embarrassed. I'm at my boarding gate now. I'm gonna eat my hot dog I got in Paris baguette. Yeah. I can't wait to do a Korean like makeup haul because I bought so much stuff. I can't wait. See you guys.